Augmented reality is changing the way we access and interact with the digital world. It can liberate information trapped on two-dimensional surfaces and visualize digital models where physical ones are inaccessible. Today, we experience augmented reality with the most optimized hardware on the planet, the smartphone. The challenge is, augmented reality on smartphones is often experienced with the device in hand, meaning just a small percentage of your view is actually augmented. That's why we have developed MagiMask, a new way to unleash the power of your smartphone to create an immersive environment of high-resolution augmented reality, unlike anything seen before. Conventional augmented reality headsets use a split-screen stereoscopic technology, resulting in a low-resolution experience. MagiMask, on the other hand, uses a breakthrough lens technology, for the first time enabling a full-screen, high-definition augmented reality experience, giving you more impressive, more comfortable, and more intense AR experiences. And best of all, MagiMask is compatible with countless AR apps that don't work with conventional headsets. With MagiMask, your 3D models can be visualized with the possibility to move around them with 6 degrees of freedom. It allows you to teach with a brand new toolbox and learn with a game-changing level of immersion. You can explore full-screen AR games or enter through portals into virtual worlds. And when it's time to kick back, you can just play a normal film and turn MagiMask into your own portable cinema. However, MagiMask is much more than the groundbreaking mask itself. We are including physical tracker objects, enabling you to interact with the digital world in new ways. The MagiTile ensures stable tracking of your 3D models on all surfaces. The MagiDice is a physical link to the virtual world and lets you control and move digital objects in real time. MagiMask brings a breakthrough, easy-to-use, high-definition experience to all the possibilities within augmented reality. Be among the first to experience the next level of mobile AR.
Have you been looking for a powerful cable that can connect to any device with 10 times charging speed? Introducing XPower Double Mag Two-Way Magnetic Cable, the world's first two-way magnetic cable which supports power delivery, quick charge, and quick release for all devices. XPower Double Mag supports a wide range of connectors. It's the most complete solution ever. Make your own combination for your convenience. Double Mag helps to keep your smartphone safe while charging. Also keep your laptop safe by bringing back MagSafe feature to your laptop. XPower Double Mag is the world's first magnetic cable with PD support. It works great with MacBook and Switch. Charge a phone while driving can be troublesome. With XPower Double Mag, simply plug and charge with one hand. Double Mag automatically connects within 3 to 4 centimeter range. With strong N38 grade neodymium magnets, Double Mag cable is able to hold up to 500 Gs. By attaching this special accessory, the cable can work as an LED light. The round connector connects in 360 degrees. It also works as a dust protector. The cable passes over 30,000 times bend test. It's even strong enough for car towing. XPower Double Mag Two-Way Magnetic Cable has already finished test and examination status and is ready for mass production. With your support, we will continue to provide quality and innovative products to customers. Purchase now and give us a chance to be your power.
How many times in your life have you come across the moment where you have to carry too many gadgets? From bulky power banks to wax speaker to additional storage devices, we understand it can be too difficult to carry multiple devices from different purposes. That's why we created Celtrix.
Introducing Celtrix, the world's first multifunctional device. Save your photos, videos, or files wirelessly through the mobile app with its expandable memory of up to 1 terabyte. This adds dual SIM capability to your phone, along with being a portable hotspot to keep you connected everywhere. Never run out of charge again with 6,200 mAh battery. Enjoy your music on the go with its powerful stereo speaker.
Hi, my name is Ajay and my background is in embedded design. I too believe we have designed an awesome product which is smaller in size with multiple capabilities.
Hi everyone, I am Dilip and my background is in app development, and I do believe that design of a hardware product is very important, that too complex product like ours.
We started working on Celtrix almost a year ago. It's been built and designed to make your life easier. We found that people don't like to carry multiple gadgets, so we created a device which is multifunctional, consisting of speaker, hotspot, storage and power bank in a single portable device.
We have taken a user-centric design approach. In the beginning, when we started working on a Celtrix, it was just a hotspot device. But after market research and suggestion from our friends, we found out that user needs some more. So we created Celtrix. We wanted to create a design which is simple but yet provides an immense experience to the user. So we added multiple features like SIM tray, storage, power bank and speaker.
Over the year, we have designed and tested our product to make it production ready. Now we need your support in order to go to mass production and deliver Celtrix to all of you.
Throughout the process, we'll keep you informed on what's going with Celtrix.
We are so excited to build Celtrix and get it to you. Join our campaign and let's change the world of gadgets.
Extend the capabilities of your phone with Celtrix, the right companion for your phone.
Your head sweats when you wear a hat, and it starts to smell too. Those bad odors are caused by bacteria and fungi that are living inside your hat. Introducing Solive. You need a way to kill the bacteria and keep your hat looking and smelling fresh.
I'm feeling it hit me. Yeah, I got swagger. They see me strutting, all sweat and daggers. Believe it, I'm the real thing. But I gotta switch it on. Yeah, gotta switch it on.
Solive uses powerful LEDs to produce UVC light to sanitize, sterilize, and remove odors from your hat. It also has deodorizing capsules to keep hats smelling fresh. To sterilize your hat, place it on the Solive. The sterilization process starts automatically. And in 5 minutes, you can kill up to 99.99% of bacteria and fungi inside your hat.
No one ever bust. They say I'm lucky. Oh no, no need to bluff.
You can also use Solive to sanitize and sterilize wigs. The UVC light shines in a hemispherical shape, so every part of a wig that touches your head is sterilized. Now you can wear your wigs whenever you want. Solive maintains your hats and wigs shape, and it looks great in any room of your house. For safety, the Solive turns off automatically when you remove your hat to protect your eyes from the UVC lights. Solive also has ambient and mood lighting as well. There are 3 colors to choose from. Fresh, clean hats.